Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to book Jetstar Flight with Qantas Points. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in jetstar.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Jetstar if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top of the screen, as you can see, we have the deals, flights, holidays, hotels, Club Jetstar, where we fly menu, and of course your profile. And in the middle of the screen, we have the option where you can go and book a flight. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and book a Jetstar flight with Qantas Points. So first of all, you need to go to this option here, which I told you, and put in from where to where you want to go. And when, of course, put all of the details. So adult, how much adult, children, infants, and everything, click search. Then when you find the flight that you of course want to go and use it, then toggle on the use points button to see available reward seats on Jetstar flights. Choose your preferred Jetstar flight from the search results. Follow the prompts to complete your booking using Qantas points. You can also use the points plus pay option, which allows you to book Jetstar flights using a mix of Qantas points and cash. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.